Tyler here with GP Knives, and today we have the Metis from Spartan. This is a sleek little titanium frame lock flipper. It's got a modified drop point blade made from S35VN. Nice mid-level stonewash on there. It's got a contoured spine. It's very smooth and comfortable. There's some jimping on the spine here towards the back for extra traction, as well as a scoop on the blade, and it's going to give a little extra precision in finer cutting tasks. It's a full titanium construction on the handle scales with a heavy dark stonewash. It's got a semi-open back construction with a titanium lanyard hole here at the end, a 3D machined titanium pocket clip, and a titanium frame lock with over travel stop protection. The knife runs on a GTC alpha bearing pivot system, and as you can see, it is a very smooth and quick deployment. This knife has a sub 3 ounce weight, making it a great everyday carry option, and a sub 3 inch blade, putting this into a gentleman's tactical folder category. The knife is very comfortable in a variety of grips and makes for an excellent utilitarian option for everyday carry. And you can see it here for a little size comparison with the Chris Reeve Menandi. It's got a fairly similar size to this knife, another excellent gentleman's carry style folder. The Metis is slightly more robust, being a full tie frame lock with a little thicker blade stock on there. And then for another quick size comparison, we've got the Chris Reeve Small Sabenza. I think these two are a little better matched, even though the Metis is slightly smaller. The construction on these two knives is somewhat similar. And here you can see the Metis in my pocket. It's got a long, thin clip that provides just enough tension for a secure hold without impeding the deployment of the knife. If you like what you've seen today and you'd like to stay up to date on all of our new videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel feed and like the video below. Again, that's the Metis from Spartan Knives. Check it out now at gpknives.com. Thanks for watching, and stay sharp.